Hello students, in this video lecture I will demonstrate use size of operator in a C language using two different compiler. First will be the GNU compiler and second one will be the Turbo C compiler, and you will see the difference between two compilers and size of the variables in different compilers. Okay, so first I will write a code, simple code in a Linux terminal vi. Okay. .c. Okay, this is my file name. I will write a code here. Include .h I am using two header file and creating a main function. Main function will be terminated here and return 0, and I will write code here to find the size of the data types. Printf this is the label message, and slash n will be used, and this is the operator, size of operator, and it will return the size of integer in a integer number. Okay, and I will this line I will write sort int here. Sort int, first I will print the sort int. And I will yank this line and paste this and here I will create for integer, size of integer, rt sort int integer. Here I will see the float I am copying the file, a line here long, yes, I have typed the all variable name here, and you will see here a sort int. This will print the size of sort int, integer, character, float, long double, in pointer to integer, pointer to an integer, pointer to a float, pointer to a character, pointer to an integer, and you will see the size of all data type here. And I will here and compile the code gcc size of this program is compiled successfully, and this is the output of all variable all data type and size. Sort int takes 2 byte in a GCC or GNU compiler, integer takes 4 byte, character 1 byte, float 4 byte, long 8 byte, double 8 byte, long double 16 byte, int asterisk takes 8 byte, float takes 8. It means all means a variable dependent on the compiler and size of the variable is also varied. And now in parallel I will run same code in a turbo C, and you will see the difference on both compiler. Okay, this is the terminal in a Linux, and I have compiled the source code using GCC compiler, and this time I will compile the code in a turbo C compiler. This is the code written in a turbo C compiler, same code written, all lines are same, totally same, and I am compiling and executed it. Yes, and you can compare the size of okay, see that difference here. Sort in taking 2 bytes in a GNU GCC, and here turbo C sort in taking 2 bytes. It is okay, but integer takes here 4 byte, but in a turbo C integer takes 2 byte. It means there is no difference between sort int or int. It says the turbo C, but in a real there are the lots of difference between integer and sort int. Character taking 1 in a both, and float taking 4, long taking here long taking 8 byte, and here long taking 4 byte. Okay, this is the another difference. Double size, double taking in a GNU GCC compiler 8, and double here taking 8. Okay, equal. Size of long double is taking 16 byte here, and here 10 bytes. Okay, size of pointer is 8 byte, and size of pointer is 2 byte here. If all pointers take equal size, either either point may be integer, float, character, or double pointer, any pointer, but the size of all pointer is always equal. Here 8 byte taking compiler all pointer, and here all pointer takes 2 byte. This is the difference between the memory size of the all data types in two different compilers. Okay. In this lecture you have learned the size of operator, and see the data type and size, memory size of the inside the two different compiler. Thanks for watching. In another lecture I will demonstrate you another good example of the another using another program. Okay, stay tuned for next coming lecture.